Unbiased Trades here, and today we're going to be going over best trading software out of the ones I've used myself. This will be a semi-long video as we're going through a couple categories. I won't be going over trading brokerages as I think that's an independent topic. This is mainly about software. Now first, why is software important? Software can speed up daily tasks you do as a trader, with less mess and wasted time by providing a clear user interface, or by automating processes you would normally complete yourself, giving you more choices and options, for example, different type of time frames or backtesting capabilities. Lastly, some things are simply essential if you wish to trade. Charting software. I have personally used TrendSpider, TradingView, and NinjaTrader. I would without a doubt advise using TradingView on a daily basis. It features a wonderful user interface, unique indicators, updates, pretty much every market you'd want, is reasonably priced, especially if you wait for sales like Black Friday, and offers backtesting and replay options. Now that being said, I would not trade off TradingView. Even with the premium options, the data isn't always particularly reliable, so I wouldn't utilize them for any medium to large scale trading. I do know some futures traders use TradingView for like actually trading off the chart, but I would still be 50-50 about this. Scanners. I've used TradeIdeas, Finviz, TradingView, TrendSpider, and Market Chameleon. Personally, the type of trading you will perform will greatly influence your choice of scanners. If you want to short parabolics, TradeIdeas is a must. Finviz or TradingView should be able to suit your demands if you only engage in swing trading under less restrictive scanning conditions. The same is true for straightforward pre-market gappers. Market Chameleon and Finviz should be able to suit your demands. Overall, I suggest Finviz or TradeIdeas because both feature good fundamental data, quick refresh times, and a variety of options for filtering your scans. Now for backtesting. I've used Python, TradingView, SpeedGeek, NinjaTrader, and Excel. Now if you already have data or a data provider and you know how to code, then Python and NinjaTrader are your friend, 100% the way to go. I still think learning to code is a fine road to go down if you don't, but I don't think you should stop your trading development by learning it in order to conduct simple but thorough backtests on your setup. Therefore, my recommendation would be either to buy data pulling code or custom strategy code based on your setup so you can run it on TradingView or NinjaTrader. You can do this manually using Excel and keeping track of each day, but I believe this is time consuming when trying to fully backtest a setup. Instead, track 30 days of your setup to see if there is an edge, and if there is, hire someone to run that setup for 2 years so you can see how the edge changes over time, all with different filters applied. This would not just save you 2 years of your time, but also allow you to see if it really does have an edge, which could save you money and time in the long run. I do offer these kind of services on Unbiased Trading, however I do think there's a couple other people that do something similar, but I'd recommend checking out anyone and including me. Paper trading. Now if you want to simply paper trade while exploring the market, here are some of the options I recommend. Since most PDT brokers use DashTrader Pro, if you decide to open a PDT account, you can learn how to use the program while paper trading, therefore killing 2 birds with 1 stone. If not, then TradeZero does offer paper trading, I believe, if you request through email. Additionally, TradingView offers a paper trading option as well. Now for journaling. I have used TraderSync, Excel, TraderView, and Evernote. I used Excel exclusively for a long time and never saw the need in switching. Excel is wonderful because it is free and has a lot of customization options, allows you to design your own style of trading log, and lets you use any formulas you desire. Excel is still a terrific tool for getting started, but I think its benefits start to wane after a year of trading. At that point, overview statistics may be more helpful, however you should still use Excel for any minor bespoke numbers you want to keep track of. Because of this, I combine TraderSync and Excel to give myself the best of both worlds. Last but not least, I believe that Evernote is absolutely necessary. You can journal notes in TraderSync along with the trade, which is a good alternative to Evernote, but I personally prefer Evernote's tagging system, formatting, and overall feeling of it being like my diary of emotions and struggles with particular days or trades. Thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy, please like and share it with anyone else who might be interested in trading software.